To fully understand this video, you must first see the ones that I have previously published. Since newborns do not naturally suffer depression, it is understood that this is originally learned. This implies that as one learning can always be replaced or overcome by another, this state can be eliminated. On this occasion, we note that the sensation of lack is due to the perception of a particular situation which serves as an activating factor. When this same sensation corresponds to the deficiency of something or someone, uniqueness on the basis of an adequate learning with a sensation of desire, it causes the elaboration of a feeling of an anxiety that one commonly calls sadness. In this case, it must be taken into account that the feeling of lack is rooted in the genetic response to the lack of a basic need. Hence, as depression is characterized by episodes of sadness, it is understood that it is generated on the basis of the perception of a lack of something or someone desired. For this reason, as a sensation of anxiety will determine it is of genetic origin and concern initially most often a deficiency of food in the newborn. It is understood that it can activate the desire to eat. As a result of this, we understand that many depressive people calm their depression while eating. In the case where a person realizes that he is momentarily missing something or someone, it can cause him an anxiety of a duration and intensity more or less important but delimited. On the other hand, if this lack is of a particularly long duration, it ends up turning into a state of depression. As a result of this, if a person can feel a moment of anxiety when he realizes that he has forgotten to take money to make to purchase that he has just made in a supermarket, and for that must return at her hands empty. She does not become because of it depressive, but if she realizes that she is constantly suffering from a lack of tenderness, she may suffer a state of depression. In any case, we understand that since the perception of sensation is genetic, it is therefore of regular intensity in the same person, but as in the case of that of anxiety, which participate in a state of depression, in order that it is united to the want of something or someone desired. We understand that as the intensity of desire to hold this something or someone is changing, it conforms an emotion. In view of that, an emotion represents to be composed of a sensation associated with a fact or an object. This implies that the intensity of the perception of depression that results is changing because the perception of a sensation is changing. For this, the perceived state of depression may be insignificant or very insignificant or very intense. In addition, as the intensity of perception of sensation corresponds to the intensity of the energy production of the neuron of the person. It is understood that more this production is intense and more he feels them, and the intensity of the depression caused by the same lack can be perceived with more or less intensity according to the person who it affects. As to a concept, new facts can be added to him according to an adequate learning to the sensation of lack of something or desired person can be added to him that of something or of what another one, which increases consequently the intensity of the perception of the state of depression felt initially, in view that more is added fact to a concept and more increases its energy potential. And if a person feels depressed because he or she misses a wife, and if in addition to lose his job, the depression felt because of the lack of tenderness he perceives provoked by his loneliness, because more acute because of the lack of money than causes him this loss. Also, as memorization and remembrance increase the intensity of the learned, it is understood that the intensity of the depressive behavior increases as the affected person comes into contact with the patient, one of its activating factor, and for that it is remembered. At the moment they overcome depressive states, there are three basic methods that are electroconvulsive therapy, which is more and more abundant in view that its effects are not only very inefficient but also very destructive for the brain of the patient. Indeed, by passing an electric current in the brain, whose intensity is much higher than the energy signal that runs through it, it destroys neurons containing a lot of information. For this method looks and presents effects very similar to lobotomies. The hormone inhibitor, based on the monoaminergic hypothesis, the squares to cause a real imbalance of the substance integrating cephalorachidian liquid, cause side effects extremely dangerous for the person, especially because by decreasing the effect of neurotransmitter or by increasing the production of their natural inhibitor, they significantly disturb the energy produced by neurons and thus affect its intelligence and muscle tone. Psychoanalysis wish to ignore the true roots of this pathology, turns out to be often very inefficient. From this, it is understood that current methods of healing a depressive state are either very ineffective or very dangerous, as the learned behavior can be either forgotten or overtaken by other pleasant. One understands that a depressive state to be caused by the acquisition of one of these can be suppressed on the basis of one of these cancellation methods. In this case, that is to say about the possibility of cancelling a depressive state, one notices that as the latter is based on a lack, it is understood that when the person who suffer this state think of one of the activating factors of the behavior that compose it, he remembers it automatically. Indeed, if a person is depressed because they feel lonely, each time they see people united with each other, their perception of loneliness becomes more and more obvious, just as if she sees other persons walking alone, etc. Also, when a person becomes sad when she thinks that she misses an object, if she feels the feeling of sadness for another reason, immediately she will think of it, because the same sensation to integrate are the depressive behavior that affect it, therefore also serve as a factor activator. For this, as the kind of behavior can be very easily remembered, we understand that it has a very high energy potential and is therefore very difficult to forget. In addition, as it is integrated by the feeling of lack, it cannot be forgotten according to the lack of perception of the reason of its depression. For this, the method of forgetting cannot therefore be effective as a method of eliminating a depression state. In view of this, it is understood that only overriding, that is to say, the replacement of harmful behavior by another which is not, may allow the elimination of a state depression. On the basis of this, that is to say, in order to suppress a state of depression, it is understood that on the basis of the activating factor of the behavior which gives rise to this state must acquired behavior which does not give no place and which surpasses it energetically, and someone who experiences a depressive state because he is not in contact with the person he desires may fall in love with another and so surpass that state. Otherwise, a person who suffers a depressive state because he lacks money can start working to get it, etc. When a therapist is confronted with a client who manifests suffering a depressive state, he must first detect it. What is obvious is that if we do not know what a client is suffering from, we cannot cure him. Thereafter, it is necessary that the therapist seeks the motive of the appearance of this state in this patient, because if we do not know the activating factor of a behavior, we cannot create a behavior that can surpass it. Finally, it must help this patient to acquire the proper behavior to surpass the one who constitutes the depressive state without provoking it. In any case, in view that the state of depression is caused by the perception of a lack, something change can cause the meeting of what is missing or something that surpasses it. Just as the person who suffers this state, according to this one analysis of his situation, can be himself put himself in condition to surpass it. This video was filmed on the basis of my work Altération de la conscience, Alteration of consciousness, which is based on my other work, Le fonctionnement du cerveau, the functioning of the brain, which as well as the first was published by Amazon.com books, in which summarize the research and discoveries that I have made and demonstrate on the phenomenon that alter the functioning of the human brain.